So if you can see, because I already can see the subtle glow on my face. Hi everyone, this is Ruhi. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing Kay Beauty Illuminating Highlighter enriched with avocado plus mango butter in the shade Champagne Fizz. Now I have been a person who would love anything that would make my face look dewy, shiny and glowy from within and not look like I have lots of chunky particles and a lot of glitter particles on my face. I would love a dewy glow from within, and right now I do not have anything on my face. I'm going to be swatching this highlighter on my bare skin, and I have lots of stuff to tell you guys about this amazing highlighter and this amazing launch by Kay Beauty. So without any further ado, let's get started. Let's begin with the packaging of this product first. It comes in a cardboard box like this. This is a standard Kay Beauty packaging. Kay Beauty has always launched its products in these kind of cardboard boxes, be it small or a little big maybe. Now this one here, it says Kay Beauty Illuminating Highlighter enriched with avocado plus mango butter. The shade name of this highlighter is written at the top here, and there are a lot of manufacturing details written at the back of the box along with the manufacturing and expiry date. Here the manufacturing date is November 2020 and expiry date is October 2023, which says that the shelf life of this product is about 3 years. Now let us see the inner packaging of this product. I have used it a couple of times before actually talking about this and before posting a review on this one. Now this is how the inner packaging of the product looks like. It's a beautiful rose gold top where there are lots of Kay monograms printed all over. The bottom is white. It's a white fiber or standard plastic, you can say, and it has again got all the details of the illuminator and the shade name, the manufacturing details, the expiry date and the manufacturing date, and the quantity and the content of the product is mentioned right here. Now when we open this one, it has got a beautiful magnetic closure. Just to begin with, this is very sleek, very light and not at all heavy. You can carry it in your vanity. It won't occupy much of space because it is very sleek, as you can see. Now this closure is very firm, so there is no risk of the highlighter opening inside your vanity bag. Now when I open it, there is a good quality mirror out here that Kay has given. This is a full size mirror and a very good quality mirror inside this one. I would love to carry it, and even if I don't use this mirror for highlighter purpose, I can use it for my face touch-ups or lipstick touch-ups, and I can always use this mirror here. Now the highlighter is something like this. So I have used it a little bit maybe, but there is barely anything. Let me tell you guys, I have genuinely used a good amount of highlighter on my face, but it has barely gone, and I can easily say that this highlighter, it is at least going to last me for 3 years. Now this one retails for 799 rupees for 8.5 grams of product. These highlighters are available in 6 shades in Indian market and they are suitable for every skin tone. I thought the shade Champagne Fizz would be a good match to my skin, and I checked videos of few bloggers who are close to my skin tone and they all have used this shade, so I thought this one would be a perfect match. Now if you see about the ingredient list of the product, like mango butter and avocado butter being the key ingredients of these products by Kay Beauty, I think every Kay Beauty product nails because of the presence of mango butter and avocado butter, which makes the product melt into your skin like this, like magic. It's every product of Kay Beauty is supremely blendable because of this one. So the same goes for highlighter, for blush, for lipsticks. I have reviewed the lipsticks also on my channel. The lipsticks are also very pigmented and very blendable and comfortable and light on lips. One of them I'm wearing right now, it's the shade Wrap Up from Kay Beauty lipstick, and I have also reviewed Kay Beauty blush, which also melts into your skin like magic, and you feel that inner pink flush from your cheeks, and so is the highlighter. Not at all chunky, they are very fine, very finely milled particles. I have always used Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter and I used to love that, but after using this I have never felt like I am using a highlighter on my face. It just looks so dewy, so natural and so glowy from within. I really could not feel that I have tons of highlighter or anything. Let's see the texture of this product. I'm gonna pull out a little bit of product on my hand here and I'm gonna swipe it on my hands. You could see how It glided on my hands like butter. It was super soft and very pigmented and will not look chunky or anything. Very finely milled particles. These are like butter. If you hold this highlighter, you'll feel buttery on your hands because they are super smooth. Now before we jump into more details of this product, I'm gonna swatch it on my face. I have nothing on my skin right now. I just have mascara, I've done my brows, and I have lipstick. I have nothing on my skin, nothing at all. So I'm gonna be swatching it with my favorite brush. I love a fluffy brush to apply highlighter because I feel that applies the best instead of a fan brush. So this brush is by Lakhara F004. I'm gonna take a little bit of highlighter from here and dab it. That's how you should do. Dab it before applying any product directly on your face, and we're gonna swipe it. So if you can see, because I already can see the subtle glow on my face. So if you can see the glow on my face that this one brought, looks very natural and very dewy. I love how this one looks. I prefer applying highlighter on my nose and in a corner of my eyes with my fingers. I feel it applies the best. A little on the brow bones too. So this is how the highlighter looks on my bare skin. I guess when I apply makeup and foundations, powders, concealers and blushes and contour powders and lots of stuff and a good bold eye makeup, I am sure that I'm gonna rock with this kind of highlighter because my entire face is going to look dewy naturally, like the way it's looking right now, very much dewy, like glass and glowy from within, and doesn't look like I have tons and tons of highlighter on my face, but I do have actually. It feels very light on my face because I really did not feel anything even after I applied this highlighter. It just feels like my skin the way it felt before application. The best part is it gets blended into your skin like this. You don't have to put a lot of effort in getting it blended. It just melts into your skin because of the presence of mango butter and avocado butter in the products of K-Beauty. Now there are few pointers that I have noticed about this product and I would like to tell you guys about that. The first one, it gives a one stroke glow as it is highly pigmented, and that's what we saw right now. It's very pigmented, so once you apply it in one swipe, it will give you a natural dewy finish and you can build it up later if you want. Second point, one swipe of this highlighter will give you a beautiful dewy finish to your skin, a beautiful dewy glow from within. Third point, the highlighter is kind of buildable because of the presence of avocado butter and mango butter in it, which helps melt into your skin, so you can easily build it up. One coat would give you a natural finish and 3-4 coats of this product would give a blinding effect if you would like to have a blinding highlighter for your face. Fourth point, it has a weightless formula. As I said, it's very light on face. It doesn't feel like I have highlighter or something on my face, and I'm pretty much comfortable with this one. So yeah, weightless formula. Fifth point, it is very long lasting and would last on your skin for 8+ hours, and believe it or not, it is. Initially it would look like a highlighter the way it's looking right now once you have a blinding highlighter kind of 4-5 coats on your face, and after 3-4 hours it's gradually going to melt into your skin and look very natural. Sixth point, super blendable. Seventh point, as K-Beauty says, lit from within. I could not agree more. This is a bang on lit from within kind of highlighter. So yeah, that was my short little review on K-Beauty Illuminating Highlighter. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give my video a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more such content, and do not forget to click the bell icon under this video so you do not miss any updates from my channel. I'll see you soon on my next videos. Bye bye.